SKSJTI College with a 7.58 CGPA in the year of 2021. Now I got placed in Unisys through Jspider Basavanagudi with a 7.15 LPA as the Associate Application Development Engineer. I joined Jspider in the month of February. Before joining Jspider, I have less knowledge about coding and technical. After joining, Faizan sir taught us core Java in a very easy and understandable way. He used to clear all our doubts, and he used to guide us on how to crack the interview and all. And thanks to Faizan sir, and also thanks to Shweta ma'am, Akshita ma'am, and Pooja ma'am, who taught us Spring's web technology and SQL. And daily presentations and mocks helped me a lot to crack my interviews. And Jspiders is a very good platform to enhance our coding and technical skills as well as our communication skills. So I would like to thank whole Jspider team. Thank you.